Have you ever wondered why some cuts of pork are more flavorful than others? Today, we're diving into the world of heritage pork, exploring what makes it stand out from conventional pork in terms of taste, texture, and nutrition. Heritage breeds like Berkshire and Duroc are different from commercial pigs. Unlike industrial pork bred for rapid growth, heritage breeds have genetics that naturally produce richer meat with more marbling and unique flavors. One reason chefs love heritage pork is its distinctive taste. For instance, Kurobuta pork has a sweeter flavor due to higher fat to lean ratios and the way it's raised on pasture, which also affects the meat's texture. Another factor is marbling, the unique fat distribution in heritage breeds, like Meishan and Berkshire, enhances juiciness and flavor when cooked, making each bite more satisfying compared to leaner industrial pork. Farmers who raise heritage breeds often use traditional methods like pasturing. This not only improves the animal's health, but also contributes to a richer flavor profile as the pigs have access to diverse foods and exercise. Pork's superior taste is also linked to its nutritional benefits. Pasture-raised pigs tend to be lower in saturated fats and higher in essential fatty acids like omega-3s, offering healthier options for consumers. In summary, heritage breeds offer a unique culinary experience due to their rich flavors, improved texture, and better nutritional profile. Whether you're a chef or Sheiks WAtion instructor and WAF pay, a meat lover, trying heritage pork can be a delightful way to appreciate the nuances of natural breeding. So there you have it, why heritage pork stands out in taste and nutrition. Have you tried any heritage breeds? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below.